Chapter 5: The Scientific Adventure. Mia's eyes sparkled with excitement as she gathered her friends, Liam, Olivia, and Aisha, in her backyard. "Okay, team, are you ready for our next scientific adventure?" she asked, holding a stack of notes and sketches. "You bet," Liam replied, adjusting his glasses. "What kind of experiments do you have planned for us this time?" Mia grinned. "Well, I've been studying the concepts of gravity and motion, and I think I've found a way for us to put them to the test. But first, we need to head to the park." The group quickly packed up their supplies and followed Mia as she led them to the nearby park, buzzing with energy. "All right, here's the plan," Mia said, unrolling a large map on a picnic table. "I've mapped out a series of challenges that will test our understanding of gravity and the laws of motion." Olivia leaned in, her eyes wide with curiosity. "What kind of challenges?" "Well, for starters, we're going to explore the effects of gravity by dropping objects from different heights and measuring their acceleration," Mia explained. "Then, we'll move on to testing the relationship between an object's mass and its acceleration." Aisha nodded enthusiastically. "Sounds like fun. Where do we start?" Mia pointed to a spot on the map. "Over there, we've got a nice hill that's perfect for our first experiment. Let's go." The friends hurried to the top of the hill, each carrying a variety of objects, from feathers to heavy rocks. Mia set up a measuring tape and a stopwatch, while the others carefully positioned themselves to observe the falling objects. "Okay, first up, we have a feather," Mia announced. "Liam, can you time how long it takes to reach the ground?" Liam nodded, his finger poised on the stopwatch. "Ready when you are." Mia gently released the feather, and the friends watched in awe as it drifted slowly downward. Liam clicked the stopwatch, and the group recorded the time. "Wow, that was so cool!" Asha exclaimed. "And now for something heavier, like this rock?" The friends continued their experiments, dropping objects of varying masses and observing the differences in their acceleration. They were fascinated by the way gravity affected each object, and Mia couldn't help but feel a sense of pride as her friends engaged so deeply with the concepts she had introduced. As the afternoon wore on, the group moved to different locations around the park, tackling new challenges. At one point, they set up a ramp and tested the motion of rolling objects, exploring the relationship between speed, distance, and time. "This is amazing," Olivia said, watching a ball race down the ramp. "I can't believe we're actually learning about physics by doing these hands-on experiments." Liam nodded in agreement. "It's so much more fun than just reading about it in a book. I feel like I'm really understanding the concepts now." Mia beamed, thrilled to see her friends sharing her passion for science. "That's exactly why I wanted us to do this. Learning shouldn't be boring, it should be an adventure." The group continued their explorations, testing their hypotheses and recording their observations. They even stumbled upon a small pond, where they experimented with the principles of buoyancy and displacement. As the sun began to set, the friends gathered around the picnic table, their notebooks filled with sketches and data. Mia couldn't help but feel a sense of accomplishment. "Wow, we really covered a lot today," she said, surveying the group. "I'm so proud of how much we've learned and how well we've worked together." Liam nodded, a thoughtful expression on his face. "You know, I never really thought of myself as a science person before, but this has been so much fun. I feel like I can actually understand these concepts now." Olivia chimed in. "Me too, and I love how we're applying what we've learned to real-world situations. It makes it so much more meaningful." Aisha grinned. "I can't wait to see what other adventures we'll go on. This is the best science club ever." Mia felt a surge of joy, knowing that her friends were just as captivated by the wonders of the universe as she was. "Well then, let's keep the adventure going. Who's ready for our next challenge?" The friends erupted in excited chatter, already brainstorming ideas for their next scientific exploration. Mia knew that with her team by her side, the possibilities were endless.